Hey up everyone, how are we all? What a lovely day today again, ain't it? Saturday today. So, what better way to have something that's lovely and hot? Lovely and hot? Well, the weather's lovely and hot. Let's have something nice and simple to eat. Not a barbie. We're going to be having a Ploughman sandwich with homemade bread. That's what we're doing today, guys. So nice and simple, loads of different ones to do. I've done a Ploughman's lunch before on my channel. If you want to see that, I'll put it up on the eye or at the end of the video or something. I'll put it somewhere. So we're going to do a Ploughman sandwich, nice and simple, ain't they? All different things you can have on them, can't you? First thing we're going to do though is do the bread. So let's go in the kitchen. Let's get my bread machine out and let's get the bread made. It takes about 3 hours in the bread machine or something like that. So let's do that first. So there's all my ingredients. There's my bread machine. I got that from Lidl. Can't remember how much it was. It was last year or the year before now. I can't remember, guys. Anyway, there's all my ingredients. And I'm going to just be doing a classic white bread. That's all. I'll take a screenshot of that and put it on the screen for you so you can see what the ingredients are. We're going to have a 1500 gram one, a big large one. Now, last time I done a big large one in here, it eats the top, so the top doesn't brown. So what I usually do is put it in the air fryer for like 10 minutes on bake, just to crisp it up a bit more. But we're going to do a large one anyway, guys. So first things first, get the milk in. You can use milk or water. I usually use water. I'm going to use milk this time to see how it comes out with, see what it comes out like. Get your 3 tablespoons of butter in. Your salt, 2 teaspoons, I think that was. 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Get it in there. They're good, these bread machines are. They really are good. And my 750 gram of flour. It's going in. Then we put 1 packet of yeast on top of the flour. You don't want it touching your salt and that. Nice and simple. And these homemade breads are delicious. And your packet of yeast. Pull it on. Now I always forget to take me paddles out. I always do. I'm going to try and remember to take my paddles out this time, guys. But we'll see if I remember or not. I probably won't because I'll be in the garden. Let's get it in. There we go. Close the lid. Turn it on. If I can remember how to use it, I'm using it for a while. Number 2, 1500 gram, and we want it as dark as we can. That is 3 hours 25 minutes. That's going to take. So let it do its thing. Okay, guys, the bread is done. It's just finished now, so it's boiling hot, so I can't really take it out yet. I need it to cool down for like 10 minutes or so. But let's open it up and have a look. It hasn't risen to the top like it usually does, but it smells delicious. Oh yes, I did take the things out of the middle. It smells really nice. Oh, there's nothing like homemade bread, is there? So we'll leave that to cool down anyway. And I've prepared already. There we go, that's what we're having on ours. Some cheddar cheese, some smoked ham, English mustard, some piccalilli, which I haven't had for absolutely years, and last time I tried it, years and years ago, I didn't like it, but I thought for the content, well, some piccalilli, some Branston pickle, some, what I call pickled onions. Fanat, she loves them. I don't like pickled onions. Some tomatoes, guys, and some lettuce. And I'm going to have it with a side order of wedges. So, we're going to wait for that to cool down. It smells delicious, man. Ooh. And then we're going to get up the table and we're going to put on what we want. That's what we're going to do. Right, guys. It looks delicious, doesn't it, Matt?
My mouth's watering. Now it's there for about 5 minutes.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Let me show you all first, because there's quite a lot on the table, so let me show you all together. Oh, yes. We've got ourselves a bit of butter. Well, it's March, because my butter's hard. And the bread looks to die for. It was hard to cut because it's that soft. There's my wedgie. I'll just put some salt on. Smoked ham. some piccalilli, some mustards, some Branston pickle, cheese, tomatoes, no cucumber, lettuce, and obviously your bread and the pickled onions from that. And that's had a pack of cheese and onion crisps.
I couldn't wait anymore while you were just talking.
You're starving, Baba.
I'm hungry.
It looks nice, actually, doesn't it?
It smells delicious as well.
You're going to have a sandwich, or you're just going to have it as a salad
Yeah, I'm
thing?
just going to have it on the side of my plate.
You're going to have it on the side of your plate? I've seen that with a piece of... Are you having a piece of bread? No? Are you going to wait?
For what?
Let's get you somewhere where you can see us. There you go. Right then, where should we start? These are the breads. Look, I've cut them nice and thick and crunchy. Like you do with a good old Ploughman's sandwich. Thick, crunchy bread. Have a bit of butter, marge. Look how soft that is. Look, it's going to be hard to butter this. More butter the better, ain't it, guys, eh? Anyway, like so. Let's bring you down, actually, so you can see what I'm doing. Let's bring you down there. You crack on, babe. I'm going to, don't worry. I'm going to put my Branston pickle on the bottom of one. Bring on the Branston. The oldie Branston. Oh, is this the older one? I think it is. Bit of Branston pickle. You put whatever you want, can't you? As long as you've got your meat, whatever meat you want, your cold meat and your cheese. You know what I mean? Do what you want. Then I'm gonna get a bit of lettuce. We're all over the place because obviously there's loads here. I'll get a bit of lettuce on there. Oh yes. This is some sandwich, Bab. This is gonna be.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
Delicious.
Then we will get some cheese. Cut the cheese quite chunky and all, guys. I say I have done a Ploughman's lot before, dinner or Ploughman's lunch. Then we will get what we've got left. Piccalilli, mustard. So we'll get some mustard on top of the old... Oops, and easy. Of the old English mustard on top of the old... What's it called? Them? Ham? Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Some English mustard. Or Dijon or whatever. I just thought I'd do English because it's English, isn't it? Then we will get another piece of bread. Shall I butter this one as well? Might as well, mightn't I? And we'll put the piccalilli on top. Am I missing anything? Oh, tomatoes. I was going to sit in the garden, but it's gone a little bit chilly now, isn't it?
It's really windy out there.
Well, yeah, windy. So I thought, well, we'll just sit in there.
Pickled onions.
Pickled onions. Pickled onions. I can't remember the last time I've had a Ploughman's sandwich.
Was it meant to do it as a sandwich, was I?
Well, you can have it as you want, can't you? I'm having it as a sandwich.
I'd say it as a pile on.
Yeah, have it as a pile on, Bab. Pile it on there. And piccalilli, which I haven't had for years, and I never liked it last time I tried it. And I'm talking years. I'm probably talking 30 or 40 years when I was young. But we're going to have some anyway today. Taste buds changed, don't they? You know what I mean?
My nan had that on everything.
I know a lot of people like it, but I never liked it. But when you're a kid, there's loads of things you don't like, and you like now, so... And there is, look at the size of that bread. My Ploughman's. Oh, yes. Look at the size of that, guys. Oh. I need a big sharp knife now. Where is it? There it is. I'm cutting it in half.
It's gross.
What's gross to piccalilli?
Yeah, I'm moving the piccalilli. It's nasty. Smell it.
Cut it in half. nice crunchy crust. What's it like in the middle of that bread? I've done it with milk this time. Is it nice?
It's delicious.
It's really soft when I was cutting it. I have to be really careful.
It's really nice.
I'm going to have a side order of wedges, eh? Got to have a side order of wedges. There we go. And there it is. The good old... What's it called?
Ploughman's.
Ploughman sandwich.
I can't see you bite that now.
I know, yeah. My teeth are going to fall out, I know that. Look at it though, yes. That's what you want, isn't it? I'm going to have to cut it again in 9 quarters. I ain't going to get all that in one go, am I?
You're not even going to be able to get it in your mouth when you cut it again.
Let's cut it in quarters. Cut it into little squares like I'm a child, eh? And I've got a white top on. This is going to be fun, with a piccalilli and that. Right, let's have a crack, guys. Proper summer weather it is. You can have apples or anything, can't you?
You can have loads.
I don't know,
of
I've done
different
eggs
stuff.
and Scotch eggs and everything on my other
Yeah,
one,
you
didn't I, I
did.
think?
And grapes.
That's big, isn't it? Oh, as a sandwich, that all goes really well together. The mustard, the piccalilli, the Branston. Oh, what? I like piccalilli again, so.
That bread's delicious.
That bread is gorgeous, isn't it? It's really, really soft, isn't it? And that crust. Oh, I'm well happy. It's got a nice little kick with that English mustard as well. Guys, great dinner. Absolutely great dinner in this weather.
It's lovely.
You'll have to let me know what you have on your Ploughman sandwich. I didn't put any tomatoes on, I forgot. But I don't need the tomatoes anyway. They was only there really as a show. I know you like tomatoes. The wedges, they're just frozen wedges. Happy, darling?
More than happy.
More than happy. That's all we want.
Thank you very much.
No problem. So, guys, never won on a national. Arsenal never won, so which is a bonus. Till the next time, we're back on the videos properly next week. Just had like a week off to try and start and get the garden done, haven't we? I've got a couple to upload already to finish off me good old pub classics. Oh, talking of pub classics, I mean, that went out yesterday, didn't we? Didn't do a video of it. Oh, it was delicious, weren't it?
Oh, it's not
When I did a bit
nice.
of shopping, we went to a pub, had a bit of dinner.
It was delicious.
I'll show you a little clip, actually. Oh, I'm definitely coming here again to do a video, that's for sure.
Bring Tony and Julia.
Huh?
Let's bring Tony and Julia.
And we're going to go back there. It was only just for me and that, just somewhere we're going to have a bit of time, weren't it? Away while we was shopping and that. And I'm going to go back there and review it. It was gorgeous, weren't it, Bab?
It was really nice.
It was really nice. Just we took over new ownership. But anyway, we'll talk about that next time I go there and review it properly. And we know it's good, so it's going to be lovely.
This is a great dinner.
The screen's gone. Oh, talking too much. There we go then, guys. So we're going to go. I'm going to eat it. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Until the next time, we will see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Heaven.
Just what I needed.
Yeah, heaven. Bye-bye, guys.